Some men aren't looking for anything logical, like money. They can't be bought, bullied, reasoned, or negotiated with. Some men just want to watch the world burn.
If you want to know, you just keep an eye on someone like Vertcoin. He'll probably disappear eventually. Vertcoin is trash. He is such a nasty, evil, jerk, creep. I'm glad I confront these people. Vertcoin has tardive dyskinesia. Then Vertcoin, the cyber smearer, the COINTELPRO agent Vertcoin, who pushes flat earth. He pushed that ayahuasca drug. It's out there. The guy was promoting heavy, hardcore drugs. And then recently, about a month or two ago, he says he's getting an SEX change. I'm gonna make this quick because the cyber smearer wants to control some type of narrative that no one cares about. My picking at him had to do about going after a complete system. I'm not into some petty back and forth between myself and Vertcoin. Anyone can look at the garbage that he posts and see that he is either certifiably insane or a COINTELPRO agent. Anyone can look at the stuff I do and see that I am well educated, a free thinker. Vertcoin posted my full name and said where I used to live at the time of that Brett Kimberlin stuff. He's saying I molested my daughters. If need be, I will sue that guy. I will go after him legally, but otherwise, I might just forget about it. Some nutjob named Vertcoin, some cyber smearer named Vertcoin, some moron named Vertcoin. In which he cannot hide that he is a paid fake or lunatic. That's why I could care less. If I couldn't care less, then I wouldn't care. I could care less with this guy. Vertcoin with his jaw tightness and grimacing. I don't post crap promoting drugs or flat earth or any of the other nonsense that jackass posts. So yeah, F you, Vertcoin. I'm sorry that I was so effective as a cyber sleuth against both Brett Kimberlin and now against that little citizen journalist racket. You clowns thought you could just peddle around and everyone would just buy into it. No, it takes a little bit more talent than being a paid fake to generate interest in anything you're up to. You're a lying cyber smearer. You're a COINTELPRO agent. It couldn't be more obvious. And this will haunt you for the rest of your life. You're a liar. You're a pig. Good luck with that. Vertcoin. He's a COINTELPRO tool. He's going to try to control the simulation of actions and outcomes. Vertcoin and Jamal Thomas turned out to be computer experts. None of these people are legit. This guy Vertcoin, I know he doesn't get that many views, but he's been around a long time and is tied in with H.A. Goodman, all these various people. Vertcoin's a fake. Aria per se is a fake. They're doing what's called counterterrorism. That's what they think is what they're doing. What we know what they're doing is called propaganda and entrapment. Basically entrapment.
What would I do without you? No, you complete me.